I've been exploring the Gibson guitar learning app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Gibson is a guitar learning app aimed at beginners and improvers who want structured lessons, song-based practice, and feedback using any guitar on iPhone or iPad. The app offers step-by-step courses across genres, interactive lessons with real-time feedback on notes and chords, and a growing library of songs taught through videos and simple tabs, which helps keep practice focused and varied in day-to-day use. It also includes useful extras like a tuner, metronome, sound effects, and a training calendar, plus skill tracking and achievements so you can see progress and target weak spots. Recent reviews highlight that the instant feedback and structured path make it easier to stay motivated, with several users saying it has helped them return to guitar and improve more quickly than with other platforms. However, it is not without flaws. Some users may find the early lessons quite basic, and meaningful progress still requires consistent practice time. The app is free to download but relies on in-app purchases and subscriptions after a trial, so ongoing cost is a consideration compared with one-off lesson books or occasional in-person lessons. As with many learning apps, there can be occasional technical glitches or sensitivity issues in how the app hears your playing, especially without headphones or in noisy rooms. Overall, Gibson is a solid choice if you value structured, goal-oriented practice with clear feedback and like learning songs along the way. With a high average rating and many positive recent reviews, it seems particularly well-suited to beginners and returning players who want guidance without committing to regular in-person lessons, as long as you are comfortable with a subscription model and minor technical quirks. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.